Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you guys to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and I'm glad to teach you guys how you can edit your YouTube short using PowerDirector 15 Ultimate. For more about PowerDirector video editing software, I'm going to create a lot of video about it on this channel. All you have to do is to make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how I edit my YouTube short using PowerDirector. So first thing first, you need to set your layout. So every YouTube short layout is regarded as 9.16 vertical. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you click on Full Features Editors. So here we go. This is PowerDirector 15 Ultimate Video Editing Workspace. So next thing you have to do is to come to the Home tab right here and make sure you click on Media. This will allow you to bring in your media, whether picture or video whatsoever. So I'm going to click on Import Media File. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at this particular file right here. So how to make heart shape in Illustrator. Then once I select the file, and then I'll go to come here and click on Open. So right here you can see it has been fully loaded up on the workspace. And then this is just the preview from the tab right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to drag this particular clip into the timeline. So what I'm going to do right here is to expand this clip right here so we'll be able to see everything clearly. For you to do that, all you have to do is to come here and click on View Entire Movie. When you click on View Entire Movie, you're going to have the clip in a very long way like this. Okay, now next thing I'm going to do is to unlink audio from this video file. So for you to do that, you have to right click on the video clip on the timeline. Then you have to choose unlink video and audio. So when you choose on that, then you're going to have the clip unlink from one another. So I'm going to select the audio file now and press delete key on my keyboard. So we are able to remove the audio file. Why I'm trying to remove this audio file is because I have my audio in another folder. So for you to bring in a new audio from my folder, I have to go to Home tab right here and go to Import Icon and Import Media File. Then I have to look for the audio file. So here we go. So this is the audio file. Then you have to click on Open. Okay, so you can see the audio file is still the same format as the video file. So we have to drag the audio file into the timeline. All right, so from this point here, we can increase the audio file. So for you to do that, you just have to drag from the point here, and I leave that in 7.2 just to make the audio more loud. So we can come to the side again and make sure we take it to 7.2. So we are able to maintain the same audio line. Next thing I'm going to do here is to filter some unnecessary noise from this audio. For you to do that, you have to select the audio track. Then you have to go to Enhance, Fixed Stroke Enhance, audio denounce. Then you come here, make sure you choose stationary noise. Then make the degree 100% and click on Apply. So it's going to count to 100%. So once you apply to all the clips, then you have to go back here and click on stationary again and make sure you choose wind noise and then click on Apply. So I'm going to exit from the audio filter and have to work on the timeline, so to cut out some of the unnecessary area so that this clip can be minimal into maximum of 1 minute as the case may be. So I'm going to start from here. I have to cut some area from this point here. For you to do that, you have to select a clip. You select a clip. I'm going to select the video clip, right click and choose split. press the delete key on your keyboard, then you are going to have these three options. So the right option for you is to choose remove and fill gap. So we still have the gap, never mind. So you have to come back to the audio file, delete, and fill with gap. So we are done with that. All right, so from this point here, there are things to cut out here also, because there was no any action right here. There is no talking. So I have to start from here, and I'm going to right click and split. I'll have to select the audio file also, and right click, split. So I have to select the video file again, right click, split. Then we have to move to audio file also. And 59 seconds, which is almost 2 minutes. So we have to edit all these things into YouTube Shorts. So what we are going to do right here, we still need to cut some unnecessary area from the video clip. So I can start from here and press delete key on my keyboard, fill the gap. We'll select the audio file also, delete key on my keyboard and fill the gap. So we still have this. All right, so we can just make sure that everything is within the maximum of 1 minute. So we have to make sure we can't. And okay, this is 58 seconds. Okay, I think that is more better. So we can select the video clip now, right click and split. And select the audio clip, right click and split. So we have to delete the video file, and we have to come to the audio track also. We have to press delete key on our keyboard. So we have everything to be 58 seconds. This is just a short video on how you can create art in Illustrator. So finally, we have to have some effects. So you have to come to your effect transition. So you go to your transition. So we have to, let me just pick any of the transition right here. So I'm going to use this just to transit from one clip to another. Okay, so you have to go to your PIP object also for you to add some animation into the on the screen when the video is being played. So I'm going to drag this into the next video timeline. Then this is going to be overlay, so I'm going to drag this into the timeline also. So each time people are watching my shot, this is going to display on the video, and this is just to tell them that they can watch more video about this particular short tutorial on my main channel. So that is what the PIP